Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're planting a carpet plant. It's called Erodium Bishop's Form. It spreads flat on the ground, perfect spreading on banks or front of beds or spilling over walls and kerbs, or if you want to put it in a pot or container. Just starting to flower now. Lovely foliage, only grows around 6 inches high and spreads and spreads. It's going to spread mostly roughly around 60-70 centimeters, and it's as tough as old boots. Comes back year after year and flowers every year from May until October, which is a great length of time. Well worth finding a spot for it. So decent sized plant. We'll add a little bit of super tri planting fertilizer at the bottom. That's a slow release fertilizer for the plant and helps to reduce transplant shock, and it will just settle the plant in very, very well. We added as well some swell compost, and the wonderful thing about the swell compost out in beds like this at this time of the year is that if things dry out a little bit, there's a wetting agent in there as well that will hold some moisture and make sure they don't dry out if we don't get to them with water on time. So we have our super tri planting fertilizer at the bottom, some swell compost mixed with the soil then, and we're going to settle in our lovely Erodium Bishop's Form and a little bit of swell compost and soil mixed back in around again. So it'll be here for years and years to come, growing only about 6 inches high and spreading at least 60-70 centimeters. So it's perfect spreading on banks, spilling over walls and kerbs, or at the front of a bed. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.